Very enclave, sector N. This is sector N, and here will be hospital and school and commercial plazas on this hill. So it's the best time for overseas Pakistanis who are living abroad in Europe, America, Canada, Saudi Arabia and UAE. They can make investment. This is a very peaceful, calm area. Prices are going high. Construction work is not stopped here, but the conditions are so that the prices have gone down, but now again raising. The price will rise again. So best opportunity for the brothers and sisters living abroad to make investment in Pakistan in Bahariya Enclave. And they'll remember that this investment will give them a lot of money you can earn from here. Simply, as I told you, if you purchase a plot of 8 marla only and you construct it, so this means that you have to spend on 8 marla, the cost will come to 75 lakhs 100,000, 100,000 for grey structure, and for structure it will be 65,000. And if when you will complete it, you can sell this house for 100 million profit, inshallah. So people are doing this in Bahariya Enclave. They are just constructing. The investors are here, they are sitting here. So many investors from different part of the country, they came here and they are just investing here and making money. So the brothers and sisters living abroad, you can have your resident here in Bahariya Enclave. Whenever you will come, you will have your own house, your own shop, your own business. I hope you understand it. Thank you very much. Mumtaz Khan, my name is Mumtaz Khan. This is my channel. Please subscribe my channel. My phone number is 0337981584, and the other number is 0300297196.